Hi guys, welcome back to Roisa's channel. Today we're gonna make sushi, my favorite food. Okay, so now we're gonna start by putting out the yaki. But I had to get much of this because we literally just take the rice off. So I don't think it's gonna be very. I think it's gonna be very hustle. I think now that it's summer, of course it's gonna be so hot, but I cannot forget about my favorite food, sushi. Okay, now this is too big for me. Why? I'm pretty. Now that finally I have finished the rice, because it made me almost 2 hours because I can't figure out where to smudge it. Okay, so now we're going to put out the carrots. Oh my gosh, I didn't realize there was 2. Okay, we don't know what this is, because sometimes we buy it, not make it ourselves, but today we're gonna make it and we're gonna have a lot of fun. I'm gonna pick it by my hand because it's like, oh my gosh. So, my mom said that I was a bit wrong because she's the chef of sushi. I don't know how she knows, but I know that she's a chef. Okay, so we're gonna make, she said to make 3 lines but we have too much carrots. Yeah, who cares? I'm gonna eat it all. But now we're gonna put the cucumbers. It's so good. I wanna eat it in one bite, but I can't until it's finished. Okay, so we're gonna put the cucumbers like this to make a bit, I don't know, but it's fun to do it. And that's the only thing. Okay, 3. Okay. Okay, this is cutie, but we're gonna add another one just for space. Okay. Actually, I was wrong. We're not gonna add another one, but we are gonna add the avocado, baby. Okay, the avocado is a bit smooth, but we got it. We got it. Okay, we put one here, one here. Okay, so we're gonna put a bit of avocado, or not a bit, I don't know. But we're gonna put to like this. I don't have the feeling about it, but it's cute. Like little rainbow, but it's like little rainbows, but it's not a rainbow. It's so crazy that it's not. Okay, the avocado is almost finished, but there's only one shot. Okay. Okay, so my mom told me there were too much avocados, but I'm kind of hungry right now, so you know what's gonna happen, right? Right? This is what's gonna happen. Delicious. Like so delicious. But now we're gonna wrap it. Girl have to not do anything, but we like our fingers when it's so delicious. Okay, so now we're gonna do it like this. We're not gonna wrap it like normally, but I hope it's wrapped. My gosh, is it? Okay. It's good. It's actually good. I'm not lying, it's actually good. You should try it. But we're gonna save all of these for later. Now we're gonna try again. Because it didn't work out at all. I need to roll it. It's too big. I can't cut that with my knife. Okay, so we're gonna make it a bit smaller. It's only a bit smaller, but it's still good. Okay. So now, here's the final progress. We have to cut it. This is the most extreme one. I don't know how to cut it. So, my mom is going to cut it for me. But we're not going to reveal her doing it. Just the video will be cut right out. I'm sorry guys, but anyways, it's good. And oh my gosh. Okay, welcome back, but we only cut for 1 minute, so it's not a big deal. But now we cut it, but we leave a bit of a big spot right there because we couldn't. Yes, there's carrots, cucumbers, and avocado. This special one. Okay, so now we left this a big bit because it's the last one, and the last one has more rice in it. But it's okay because we're gonna eat it with soy sauce and chopsticks. Okay, so when you eat sushi, you have to use chopstick, even if you don't know. But sometimes they do it like they grab their chopstick, wrap it around the paper if you don't know, and then break it, but it's not really break, and you can using it like chopstick. That's so an easy hack, but we know, so we don't have to do it right now. Okay, so now we're gonna put it into a plate, of course. Okay, I don't know, I'm gonna grab it with my hand, of course. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is so gonna be good. Okay. Now we're almost there. Just for the final one. Okay, so we're now gonna eat this with chopsticks. You have to open these. Of course. It's gonna be so easy. Oh my gosh, what's that? Okay, so now we're gonna eat it. But first we have to break it in half. This is the most not only part for me. I'm so scared of wood because sometimes it breaks and it fries on my face. So it's like when somebody puts rice on your face and you completely don't see. Okay, so now we're doing it like this to keep it open, and now we're opening it. The soy sauce. Oh my gosh, we made such a big mess. Okay, so now it's for the final part, the taste test. Okay, so now we have to like taste it, or it's not gonna be worth it at all. But we're not gonna put it. Mmm. Mmm. Okay, so now that I finished it, it was so good. It was like I went to a restaurant and they made it for me. Like, what the hell? Why don't spend money to make it by ourselves? Even with the supplies makes a lot of money, but I don't care because I got my own cash. So it's easy how to predict. But when it's candies, I don't really like that. I don't know why, but I don't know how to thank you guys for watching this video. And remember, like and subscribe.